Today I am incredibly excited, double excited. First of all, I am filming for the first time in my almost renovated room. I cannot wait to show you the whole process and show you the final result. See this name for yourself and read it yourself. So this company sent me this balloon garland that includes in itself like a double stuffed balloons, and I cannot wait to dig in because I've never tried double stuffed balloons ever. And it's going to be very, very cool and interesting to try.
That's the way that I'm organizing all of my videos. I'll explain later when I'll show you my room renovation video. But back to this kit. First things first is this hand pump and this tying tool, which I am super, super excited about. It will save your fingers from having blisters and damaged skin. Then we have these glue dots and this balloon strip. Then I was very, very surprised to see this in the kit. These are two hooks that then looking at these balloons, we can tell that this balloon garland will be light pink and gray, because if you're stuffing your balloons like black into white, white will kind of tone down your black and it will give you the gray color. So these are 10-inch balloons. Then we have 10-inch balloons, only a little bit different in color. There's pink stuffed in white, so it will give us light pink. Then we have a mix of colors here in 12-inch balloons. These two balloons in bigger size. It doesn't have a size. And I am very excited about these rose gold orbs balloons. These are foiled and they are 18-inch in size. Love these balloons, very pretty. So these are tougher to blow because these are double stuffed, so I'm curious to try hand pump. Is it going to work as good as the electric one? So let's try this out. That works pretty good. Nice. Let's go to these foiled balloons. I am taking my straw, putting the straw right inside over here, and then I'm putting straw into my hole over here and then blowing that way.
The golden camera!
I am taking a towel, or you can take paper towel. This works just great, and I am starting to rub on my balloon all over. That way I am creating static inside of my balloon, and confetti stick to walls that way. So give it a shake, rub some more to create more static until you're happy with the result. Okay, and here you have a confetti balloon. So do that to all. Beautiful, beautiful color balloon. Let's start building this beautiful, beautiful garland. Here is my balloon strip. So I'll start with my, why not, with my pink balloon. So I'm taking those balloon lips and I'm inserting through this bigger hole over here, pulling this knot through, and then slide through that little slot, right here. Slide through this little slot over here and then fix it on that smaller hole. Okay, let's move. By the way, you guys, I am not using my confetti balloons. I'm setting those aside and I'm going to deal with them a little later. I'm taking another balloon, and so far I am not skipping any holes. Okay, I feel like I want to skip one hole, or you know what, let's not skip any holes. Next balloon, again, I'm taking 12-inch balloon and inserting into the next hole. I'm not skipping any holes yet. If you feel like your balloons are getting a little too tight, then you can skip a hole. If not, you guys, you can always twist your balloons and kind of settle them into balloon garland. So just keep feeling your strip, keep feeling your balloons. Are they too tight, not, and decide if you want to skip a hole or not.
attach this balloon garland to my backdrop. You guys, if you don't have a backdrop, use command hooks, half a pound command hooks, put it on your wall with all the instructions that are included there, and then take extra fishing line, wrap around the spot where you want to hang your balloon garland and tie it to the command hook. Balloon garland is on my backdrop. It's looking really, really pretty and really, really good. So here are the balloons that are left and laying on the floor everywhere, basically. Now I want to take my glue dots and fill in spaces and just play around with volume at the bottom, and then, yeah, make it pretty. Put this right over here. So I'm placing my glue dots and then I'm filling in spaces. Here is what I have for you guys today. How beautiful this balloon garland turned out. Thank you so much, Angie's company. Well, I loved working with these balloons. The quality is very nice, very soft, just because they were double stuffed. Absolutely in love with this gray and pink colors, how settled they are, and this rose gold color just complements this balloon garland very, very well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will share a few pictures at the end of this video as well.